Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here for what is today. I feel like there should be dirge music playing in the background. My final Birchbox. I have now completed my subscription and I have used my points to pick up an extra thing in the shop that they have. So let's get in here and see what's in my last box. So I have no idea what is in my Birchbox because I did not go in, I did not make any selections or avail them of any of their box curations. But they have started several new things where you can choose, like I did, to be completely surprised, or you can go in and pick one of your products and then the rest of your box will be a surprise. Or monthly, they generally do 3 or 4 curated boxes now where you can sign on the day that they say, and you go in and you can select one of the boxes that they've already put together so you will know everything you're getting. So Birchbox, just in case you don't know, is a $15 per month beauty subscription, and it is not my favorite. And into the new year, I thought I'd like to try some new things, so that was going to require me making some cuts, and this was easily the first cut that I made. They do really small samples for $15, and it's not usually brands that you crave, so it just wasn't perfect for me. Let's see what I've got. This is one of the cool ones. They've gone back to one of the cool ones. It's the shelf that you pull out, and we have our paperwork, and then bright yellow paper, and all of my goodies. Now watch them do something to try and keep me in here, but it doesn't matter. I have already canceled. I know my weakness for seeing something good and wanting to keep it, so I went in and canceled before I did the unboxing. Okay, reaching right in for my very first product, I got an Oribe Après Beach Wave and Shine Spray, and that is what that looks like. And this is kind of neat. I love Oribe products. This is a tiny little sample. It is 1 ounce. And let's see what the paperwork says about it. The Oribe Après Beach Wave and Shine Spray, the full size would be $44. And I'll tell you right here what size that would have been. Get perfect beachy waves with this 2-in-1 spray. This innovative formula amps up texture and shine while also hydrating the hair. I will indeed use that and probably love it because I love the Oribe products. I love them if for no other reason than the scent. They usually smell so good. Oh, they just do. I love the smell of the Oribe products. Next I have, what is this? It's an LOC, which is Love of Color, cream eyeshadow. Oh, it smelled the room with that Oribe. It's so nice. And highlighter. And that is the packaging that it's come in. That's kind of interesting. Let's get in here and see what we've got. How dare they send interesting things? It's like they know. It's like they know. So this is what it looks like out of the packaging. It's a nice little square. I have to go fetch that. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. This is interesting. Oh, it's creamy. It feels like a primer. That is what it looks like. And it's real creamy, like you would anticipate a primer being. Can you even see it on my hand? It's almost the exact same color as my skin. Yeah, I almost can't see it on my hand. I actually get some use. This is not even funny. I might actually get some use out of that as a base on my eye. I will definitely give it a try. Let's see what the paperwork says. Love of Color, Birchbox exclusive, Glow Squad Quad Single. The full size would be $20, which would imply this is probably $5 since they said quad. The cream color, which comes as part of a full-sized palette, the Glow Squad Quad, is versatile enough to apply with just your fingers for a pop of color. Well, I'm not getting a pop of color. I'm getting a pop of not color. But it's still very useful. Okay. What's next? Next I have this was in one of my very first boxes from them, and you would think I would go out and research it, but I don't. It's a Lycée Wattier, is how I would say it if I was saying it in French, and I don't know what it is. The bottom says Caprice and looks like a color, so we're going to assume it's a lip. The paperwork says Lise Wattier. I'm sticking with it. It is a Rouge Gourmand lipstick in Caprice. The full size would be $25. This creamy berry pink shade, how dare they send me a color that's right for me, visibly volumizes your lips and reduces the appearance of fine lines. It's also moisturizing and ultra comfortable. I am telling you, if I had been receiving boxes that so fit me like this all along, I'd still be getting Birchbox. Oh, look, it's a little lipstick. Look how cute that little bullet is. It's a great color. I have a pretty lippy on already, so we will just swatch it. Oh, I'm gonna love this. I am truly going to love that color. It's really nice. It's not too dark. It's got a nice berry kind of pink to it. Okay, so we're 3 for 3 now. This is becoming a problem. Next, I have Let's Get Naked. Interesting. By TLW Frizz Fighter. I don't know what any of that means. Let's see what the paperwork says. TLW Let's Get Naked Frizz Fighter. Full size would be $20. This keratin-infused hydrating hair serum prevents breakage and improves manageability and definition. Massage a small amount. It's concentrated into damp hair. Yeah, I will probably try it. I won't use it very often because I've read whole kinds of things about using too much keratin if you also have hair breakage, which I know you guys can probably see right here. I have some hair breaking this winter and I've been putting like Moroccan oil on it, and so yeah, I will probably try that. And last but not least in my box, I have a Malin & Getz Revitalizing Eye Gel. And let's get this out of here and see what it looks like. This is a nice tiny 0.10 fluid ounces. And let's see what the paperwork says. Malin & Getz Revitalizing Eye Gel, full size would be $42. This soothing, hydrating eye gel alleviates tired-looking eyes by cooling on contact and brightening skin with diamond powder. Dab a little underneath your eyes with your ring finger. Well, let's see if it's sealed. It is sealed, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it sealed until I can read the ingredients and be sure it's something that I can use. Okay, guys. That was a pretty good box. One could still argue probably not worth $15, and I don't feel sad and regret. But it was a pretty good box, as Birchbox boxes go. But so when they had one of their sales at the end of the year, I cleared out my points, and I picked out this, which, let me show you what I got. I got it for like $10, which you will see was well worth it. It is a Living Proof, an entire full-size set of Living Proof, and it's normally, I think they say it's like $75 worth of product, and they had it on sale another 40% off, and then I had $30 in credit, so it cost me basically nothing. And I have the Living Proof shampoo and conditioner, and it's the Perfect Hair Day, and that's what they look like, and they are full-size 8 fluid ounce ones. And the main reason that I got this is I love this. I got this as a sample in one of our boxes. I won't pretend to know which. One of the better boxes, because it was a good size sample. And it is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day 5-in-1 Styling Treatment. And I have been out of this for a while. And while I was using it, my hair loved it so much. And it says, for smoothness, volume, conditioning, strength, and polish. And you just put a little bit on your damp hair before you blow dry, and I love it. So that is what I got for my add-ons from Birchbox. For my very last Birchbox, I got an Oribe Après Beach Wave Spray and a Frizz Fighter Let's Get Naked, and the Malin & Getz Eye, the little Love of Color, Lack of Color cream, which I will definitely use, and this really cute, sweet little bullet lipstick that is a color that I will love. And then for my add-ons, I did this nice Living Proof set, which I am so thrilled about. Okay, that is the end. That is my last Birchbox. I won't say forever because one never knows what will happen. But for now, Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I really appreciate you being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I'll see you really soon. Bye, guys.